In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on class and location feature, QuickBooks Online tutorial. If you want more insightful reporting in QuickBooks Online, turning on class and location tracking is a great first step. These settings let you tag your transactions so you can slice your profit and loss or other reports by program, department, store, property, or any segment that matters to your business. To get started, look to the top right corner of your QuickBooks Online screen and click the gear icon. This opens your main settings area. From there, select Account and Settings. You'll land on a page with several tabs down the left side. Choose the Advanced tab to see the company-wide preferences that affect how your books behave. Within the Advanced tab, find the Categories section. Click it to open the editor. This is where you can turn on both classes and locations. Switch on classes to start tagging transactions with a category like product line, program, or job type. Turn on locations to track where the transaction belongs, such as a business unit, store, region, or property. When you enable these, QuickBooks will show additional options so you can tailor how they work for your workflow. For classes, choose how you want to apply them: one class per entire transaction or one class on each row. If most of your invoices or bills belong to a single department, applying a class to the whole transaction keeps things fast and consistent. If you often split a single transaction across multiple departments or programs, choosing one class per line gives you precise allocation and cleaner reporting later. For locations, you can customize the label so it matches your organization's language. Instead of location, pick terms like business, department, division, or property. Using familiar terminology helps your team select the right option every time and keeps your data clean. When you make your selections, QuickBooks may prompt you to save. Be sure to confirm those changes so the new fields appear on your forms. After this is enabled, you'll notice class and location fields on transactions such as invoices, bills, expenses, and journal entries. Encourage your team to use them consistently. Consistent tagging is what makes the reports powerful. If you don't see these options, your subscription level or user permissions might limit access. So check with an admin or review your plan. That's all it takes. With classes and locations turned on and configured, you're ready to run reports by class or by location and gain clearer insights into how different areas of your business are performing.